There's another senator who wants to place Sims contractor Sally Santos under the Department of Justice's Witness Protection Program. He joins us tonight on The Big Story, Senator J.V. Ejercito. Good evening, Senator. Welcome to The Big Story.
Hi, good evening, Ses, Sean, and Pauline. Thank you for having me the big story.
So, what's the basis, Senator, for the Witness Protection Program or protection for Sally Santos?
Well,
What's the
because
basis?
she has already said a lot of information, Ses, and even during the previous hearing under Senator Marcoleta, she already pointed to Bryce Hernandez and Engineer J.P. Mendoza as the real culprits and the ones who really know and operated on the modus, no, on having ghost projects and in-house contracting in the notorious district of Bulacan. And during the hearing yesterday, under new chairman Senator Ping Lacson, I noticed that she was jittery, she was nervous compared to the first compared to the previous hearing where she pointed to the two, Bryce Hernandez and JP Mendoza. So that's why I asked her, and she said that there are unidentified vehicles circling their house, and so that's why she feels that she's scared for her life. No, that's why I proposed to the committee that she be recommended for witness protection program to the DOJ, of course, subject to evaluation of the Department of Justice.
Do you feel, Senator, that she could actually give more once she's given security? Because that's kind of what she said at that hearing yesterday. Sabi niya, wait, pahingi mo ng protection. And then Ping Lacson was asking, physical protection or legal protection? And she consulted her lawyer and she said, physical protection. So it's obviously like some sort of threats onto her life, right? But do you believe na meron talaga siyang alam, meron siyang maisip sa walat, at meron siyang pruweba?
Well, I from on the onset already, she has already said a lot of information that apparently Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, and the syndicates there in the Bulacan district office of DPWH, they are the ones doing this modus, no, borrowing licenses from different contractors and doing in-house, as I mentioned, yung in-house, no, that in-house contracting means only paperworks, no, wala pong talagang ano riyan, wala talagang actual construction. So I feel that she can say a lot and give us more information on this modus operandi of Bryce Hernandez and company.